Hello everyone, welcome back to another trade review session. Let's see what have we done today and how could it have been. आज हमने क्या किया और इसको आज और कैसे बेहतर कर सकते थे. Let's discuss all the learnings today. Let's discuss all the trades today. So again coming, so we discussed in our market preparation that there could be another higher high in the making after yesterday. So let's see how is this daily time frame. Oh wow, it capped up so high and now it has touched the median of this supply zone, which is actually a very good point where we can look for a reversals going further down. We can take good bearish trades on the bear side. Let's wait for reversals. Let's wait for confirmations on the smaller time frames. Coming back to our hourly, or maybe let's come back to our weekly this thing. All right, so what we see here is we see that the price has actually moved all the way. It has supply, so again it opened gap up and then it sort of stayed within that open day high day zone range. The price kept moving between one supply zone and the bigger demand zone. Is it again coming? Is the market preparing for another higher high? Because this supply zone has been violated. So, like there is a higher high already in place. So, let's see. Coming to what I have done today. So, right after this first dip which happened, like it was very clear that the bears are strong today. The bears are like look at this open high candle. The first 3 minute candle itself was very strong, with clarifying the intention that boss, I'm not going to let the price go up. At least at this level, we will have some sort of a resistance. So when the previous supply when the previous intraday demand zone was tested, and after this inverted hammer itself at the bottom of the trend, can we can read that as a bullish sign. So keeping this as the low of this candle as the stop loss, I took this whole trade keeping the high of this candle as the target. I booked this one. After which price again sort of moved within certain range for, so you see if this intraday demand zone got violated, this started acting as a supply. So look at this. This candle started to act as a supply zone. So after this supply zone again was sort of fake breakout of this supply zone, and then retest of this supply zone was another entry for a bearish trade, to be honest, which I missed. I was out of the screen. I took this trade. I booked this one, this bearish candle, retest of supply zone. Basically my entry should have been at this level. And so you see, like there were intermediate smaller supply zones and demand zones which got created. After this fall, there was just a retracement of, I mean, I could have just simply stayed in the position, but somehow since it was an expiry day, I was not so keen on keeping my positions open for long. And I missed this bigger trade. I missed this another. So you see the demand zone getting tested again, the price going to test the supply zone. So the price actually did a seesaw between what we can say is what you can say as a supply in 15 minutes supply zone versus 15 minutes demand zone throughout the day. One point to be noted here is, since the price has already made a higher high, although this is not a bullish candle, it has just made a wick out. So maybe we have to start looking at the possibility of this supply zone again getting retested and possibly giving a entry point for us to look at. Let's see if this could be another supply zone, because this is a big supply zone. Let me further refine that in smaller time frame. Yes, this looks like a better supply zone. Yeah, this is the high, and yes, so if we get a retest of this supply zone, we can have a very good entry. We can look forward to a very good entry on the bearish side, or possibly the price makes another higher high and then further give a reversal. So that's all for now. So you see, like, if we develop a decent command on how the supply zones and demand zones are working and in various time frames, it becomes very easy, and it becomes very confident. You tend to become very confident on taking trades, and this so another which so this was a certain demand zone which got violated and then started acting as a supply zone. So this is something which is very important to learn. This is something which is important to observe. So this candle, or in this downtrend, this candle was very critical. So after this got touch base of this one, could have gotten a very good entry. Okay, anyway, so that's all for now today. Tomorrow is Friday, the first day of the weekly expiry. Let's see how the market throws any opportunity on us. And we'll also share the market preparation. I'll also upload the market preparation video soon. Yeah, thank you everyone. All the best, good luck.